Here in this video we are gonna demonstrate syringe pump model name SP101. So we'll quickly look after connections. Here mains will get connect. This is fixation clamp to fix the syringe pump on IV stand. This is for DC supply, external DC supply. This is nurse calling port. This is for software purpose. These are optional. This is syringe holder. This is called plunger. So we'll look how to connect syringe to the machine. So to connect the syringe, just pull this back and pull this back as well. Then connect syringe over here. Then fix it from here and here. So syringe will get connected. This is power on off key. To turn on the machine, long press this. Will get on. This indication is battery charging indication, mains connection indication, system error symbol. These are the syringe specifications. From 5 ml to 50 ml syringe can be used in this. Here I am using 50 ml, so it is indicated over here. This indication is to set the speed of the dose. So by using the settings key, you can set the speed. After decimal, use this. For selection purpose, use this. Here user can select the total amount of drug which needs to be delivered to the patient. Again for selection. Here in this option, user can select the occlusion limit. By the occlusion limit, user can get to know about the occluded pressure which will be generated at the patient end. So to select the occlusion limit, use this center, lower, higher and lower. 3 options are given. For the detailed information of the occlusion settings, please refer page number 45 in the user manual. Occlusion settings detailed information is given over here, page number 45 in the user manual. Next is this option is to select the syringe number. So here detailed information about the syringe brand name and number is given over here. So user can select the syringe number according to the brand he is using. So for example, here I am using BD Plastipack. So here I am selecting number 5. Number 5 selected. This is pause option. This is to start the infusion. This symbol will indicate that infusion is started. So we'll look after alarms. So this is syringe disconnection alarm will be generated over here if syringe is disconnected from this holder, and if syringe is disconnected from this plunger, so it will be indicated from here. To mute the particular alarm, use this key. This option will indicate already injected volume to the patient. So it's summation option. This is bolus or purge option, which is used to rapidly deliver the volume to the patient. So to use it, double click this, and to deliver, just hold it at the second press. So bolus will be injected to the patient. Once the syringe reach 1 ml, nearly empty alarm will be generated. Once the syringe reach 0.5 ml, KVO mode will be activated. which is keep vein open mode, and at that time finish alarm will also get generated. Coming towards the additional features in this, to turn on the display, long press this key, the display will get on. So we'll quickly look after the modes given in this. So first is wait mode. To enter this, use this key. So here information is given. First, user have to select the concentration of dose. To enter, use this key. User can also set the unit. Set body weight of the patient. Drug volume and solution volume. To start infusion, press this. Now to calculate ml per hour, use this formula to calculate ml per hour given at the page number 24 in the user manual. To come out from the selected mode, first user have to pause the infusion, then using the same key just come back. So next is time mode. In time mode, user can select injection time using this. Also solution volume. According to the time and selected volume, rate will be set automatically. Injection volume will indicate the already infused ml to the patient. Coming back from this mode, next is drug mode. This is drug library. From this, user can select the drug. And this is lower hard limit, lower soft limit, upper soft limit, upper hard limit. So these are the limits. For the detailed information, please refer page number 25 in the user manual. So in that all information is given. So here user can set the rate and also preset volume. Coming back from this, next is settings. In this, bed number settings, nurse port settings, purge rate, bolus setting is given. Also residual limit settings, time settings, KVO rate settings. The user can set the rate according to the volume, mLs. So once KVO rate is set, coming back, next is language and backlight. So these are the settings. Next is history query. In this information is given with date, time and the last patient history. Coming back from this, now to put the machine in the standby mode, long press this. This will indicate that machine is in standby mode, and after that To switch on the to switch off the machine, long press this. So this is all about the demonstration of SP101. Thank you.